Okay, this improvement probably doesn't look like much fun. So what you're looking at is actually the editor for one of the pages on our website, and just what the page looks like where I have to go in and make changes. So there's actually a whole bunch of improvements that got made here. You just can't see them here. So I'm going to pull up the page that I was working on. So it was actually 2 pages because we've got one for our carpet cleaning services and one for our furnace cleaning services. And my original intention was just to add some information to each of the pages. So that was the main first improvement, which was to add information to our appointment confirmation page about safety for the day of cleaning. So just some reminders for our customers about what kinds of COVID precautions they need to be aware of and to be a part of on the day of the cleaning. So we did successfully add those, but if your eye is really keen, you probably noticed in the 2 pages that those, while they look similar, have some significant differences in how the pages look. And if I just line up right here, you'll notice the size of the header, the boldness, the way that the points are done, the size of the text is quite different. So there's some improvements that we're still working on with this page, and that actually goes to if you look here, and there's all this blank or blank looking area, but actually if you highlight it, that's just white text. So there's another improvement sort of hidden in there, and that's that on the back end for the furnace cleaning page, that's the carpet, it doesn't come across like that. It's coded in a way where it's much easier to edit. So that's another improvement that is coming. Some other improvements that unfortunately I didn't do a good job of doing the before on this, but things that I changed was we changed some of the wording about preparing for the appointment and reviewing information, because there was some false information on the website about what our procedure is for confirming. So it said that we telephoned every customer, when in fact, if people do click through and do an email confirmation, they won't receive a confirmation telephone call, because that would be just duplicating effort. There were some corrections in how we do our time sets, which had not been, there was some outdated information. And then there was also just some inconsistency in terms of some of the points here around payment and pets across the carpet and furnace site and across our mobile and desktop versions, which I addressed. And then also on the carpet site, this whole section about pets, these couple of points, just to remind our customers, were actually duplicated. So they were both in the before we arrive and the day of cleaning section. And so I removed that duplicate information. So as you can see, it's just website maintenance, and there's no set and forget in any of our digital stuff. We can put it up and we can get it running, but ensuring things like consistency and that the information is up to date is an important part of what we do in any digital system.